I truly believe that every woman has a story. I believe that a story does not define who you are, it empowers who you are.
Our world needs game changers, and they need game-changing women. And I challenge you to be the courageous and be the game changer that you were put on this earth to be. By facing your fears, by believing in yourself, by believing in your cause. And no matter what you are up against, it is possible to overcome your fears. So just keep climbing those mountains regardless of what vertigo you may face.
Women were respected for their spiritual and mental strength, and men were respected for their spiritual and physical strength. There was always a balance.
Being a champion is not about being the best in the world. It's about being the best we can be and being real in the process.
I want you to remember today why you're here. If you relentlessly pursue what you believe to be true, this whole power of connection, and do it only because at the core of you and I, together, listen, this is how we change the world.
If you really want to go for the gold, what we need to do, lift each other up. That's what Canadian Business Chicks is all about. That's what the Nest is all about. It's about lifting each other up, because the higher we lift each other up, the higher we become in our lives, and the more magic and success, real true success, comes into our lives.